on, everyone? Got a 2023 Kia Sorento key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver and a small Phillips screwdriver, okay, just to start things. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to flip the key open just like that, okay? Now you have one side with the Kia writing on it and one side without it. We're taking this panel off here, the one side that has no writing on it, okay? So what you're going to do is we need to pry this panel up and off. You can go at it at the bottom right here. Okay, you just got to be kind of careful not to damage it too badly when you do it, okay? It can get all bendy and stuff like that, so just be real careful. Just pop it right off. Now this is where you're going to need the Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need to take these 4 Phillips screws out, all right? Once you get those 4 out, you just take this cover off here, and here is the battery. There's a little slot right here on the side that you can use your screwdriver to just gently pry this guy out, okay? I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR 2032, positive sign facing out towards us. If you need a battery, I'll have one down in the description box below. That link will take you to Amazon where you can pick one up for like $2, and try not to drop this in between the seats. But you just get the battery and put it down on these contacts right here like this. Positive sign facing out. Lock it in there like that, and then replace the cover. In there, and you get the cover and just snap it back on. Usually start at the top and work my way down. Okay, emergency key, and the key goes like that, and you're all finished. Well, if the video was quick and straight to the point, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. This will help you find my videos later on when you need them again, okay? You guys take care, and I hope you have a great day.